What's up guys, we are back with some Apple news. Regardless of what's going on in the world of tech, Apple is looking stronger than ever. With the iPhone 14 components now in production, Apple is ready. Counterpoint has revealed that Apple has scored the highest revenue of last 5 years in Q1 2022, a whopping 62% of the revenue in the global market. It's even higher than 2021, while other brands have seen some decline. Even though Samsung ships the most phones, they don't make as much money as Apple because a lot of their phones are mid-range and budget devices, while Apple is selling premium top-tier iPhones costing above $1,000 or close to $1,000 price, and recently the iPhone 13 series have been selling like hotcakes. This successful increase in revenue share compared to last year has given Apple some serious momentum for the iPhone 14 series, especially in the world's biggest smartphone market, China. Yes, the demand is higher than ever for the iPhone 14 series. According to Ming-Chi Kuo, the prepaid deposit is significantly higher for the iPhone 14 lineup compared to the iPhone 13 from last year. In case you don't know, with the iPhone 14 Pro series, we're gonna see the biggest design change since 2017, biggest camera upgrade in 7 years, and possibly the best battery life on any flagship as well. It's a lot indeed. The iPhone 14 will bring a lot more revenue, but with that being said, there's definitely an end to another stream of income for Apple. The end of Lightning port has started as Apple is bringing its new product with USB Type-C port. According to the latest news, Apple's upcoming AirPods 2 Pro are indeed rocking a USB-C port rather than a Lightning port as they were previously planning on. This is all thanks to the European Union finally putting Apple back to its place for the sake of consumers, making the USB-C as one common standard for all tech devices. Now last but not the least, Apple, as we know, is the best in the chip game, and they are planning to bring some huge improvements next year as TSMC is booked to deliver 3nm based M2 Pro and M3 chips for the future MacBook Pros. This also means that very likely the next Apple A17 chip for the iPhone 15 lineup will be based on a 3nm process, bringing some incredible performance gains as well as better power efficiency. I hope to see Qualcomm and MediaTek stepping up their game and bring 3nm based chips for the Android world next year. So that's all the latest news. The demand for the iPhone 14 series is looking hot. The revenue of Apple is at all-time high. The monster 62% revenue share in the market globally is incredible. Let me know what you think about Apple's success and of course their plans for the future in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.